Hello everyone, good evening, and this is thinkbigpinoy.com, and this is the first video in our series. So I'm going to teach you how to create your accounts, and don't worry, everything is for free. So if you haven't done this yet, you open up your favorite browser, but I suggest you download this browser. Go to mozilla.com and download the latest Firefox browser. Now, maganda kasi itong browser na to kasi meron niyang mga plugins, and ituturo ko sa inyo mamaya or sa mga susunod na videos ko ano yung mga plugins na kailangan nyong gamitin. But for now, of course, pwede nyo naman gamitin kahit anong gusto nyong web browser, kung Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Opera or Safari, doesn't matter. Okay, but I strongly recommend you download Firefox. Okay, so after downloading or opening up your favorite browser, go to gmail.com and then create an account. Click on the create account, and so hintay lang natin. So medyo mabagal kasi ang internet dito. So dito you will have to create several Gmail account, pero I suggest you create a master Gmail account kasi ito rin yung gagamitin ninyo sa Google AdSense. Now, kung na-disapprove kayo dati sa Google AdSense, create a new Gmail account. Okay? So, you have to use yung real name ninyo, totoong pangalan na, first name and then surname. Okay? Don't worry, Google to, so hindi kayo may scam dito, wala kukuhanin yung private data ninyo, pero only yung address ninyo and yung inyong first name and last name, kasi you will use this in yung Google AdSense account. Kapag mali yung nilagay yung data rito, hindi kayo mababayaran ng tama ng Google. Now, of course, yung desired login name, dapat nandyan yung real name ninyo. And then check the availability. Tulad yan, hindi available, just put a number. Okay? So, tulad yan. Okay, it's available. Now, choose a password that you will remember. Okay, and then click on the stay signed in, enable web history. Just okay, you can write your own question. Who is the okay, and then yung answer ninyo. Okay, and then recovery email. You can use an email na nagagamit ninyo or yung previous email ninyo kung meron kayo, and then yung location ninyo, of course, put it on the Philippines and put the CAPTCHA, and then just click on the I accept or create my account. Okay, and yan, ginagawa na ng Google ng paraan para ma-prevent ang spam. Just put your mobile number, lagay nyo lang dyan, and then send the verification code, and then you'll get a text message na merong 6-digit number, and then just put the 6-digit number here, and then you'll have your own Gmail account. Okay, so after creating your Gmail account, I would like you to go to clickbank.com. This one, clickbank.com. Yan, clickbank.com. Okay, so ito yung makikita nyo. Okay, oops, you will get this website, clickbank.com. Also create an account here, so sign up. Okay, medyo mabagal lang mag-load. Now, ito yung tinatawag kong affiliate marketing. Now, you'll be able to monetize Google AdSense and also clickbank.com or affiliate marketing. Just click on the sign up. Kailangan nyo rin dito yung real name ninyo and yung real address ninyo. Remember, kailangan meron kayong idea na ID na if you're a student sa school, if you're a professional, yung PRC license ninyo o yung driver's license niyo, but make sure na tama yung pangalan na nandyan, pati yung address. Very important kasi kapag pinadala sa inyo yung check, and of course, kapag nilagay sa bangko yung check ninyo, okay, kailangan tama yung mga details na ipapakita. Okay, so the country, of course, kung saan kayo nakatira. Okay, and then fill up the details, real name. Okay, let's put on the real name. Oops, not necessarily na malalaki. And then real address. Okay, lahat ng may asterisk kailangan yung lagyan. Real city, real zip code. Okay, real name, real first name, real surname. Okay, yung email kanina, real name na ginawa natin kanina, di ba? Okay, yung ginawa nyo kaninang Gmail, yun nga yung ilalagay nyo rito. Now remember, iwanan nyo lang nakabukas yung Gmail niyo kasi magpapadala yan ng verification na email. So pag sinabing verification na email, okay, double check niya kung talaga bang na-send. So pag na-approve ka niyan, makikita mo dun sa Gmail account niyo na meron ka ng ClickBank account. Okay, so ito, pili kayo ng 5 to 10 letter digits. So sabihin natin, napili ko to, real name 10. Okay, so phone number required. So let's say 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Of course, peke ito, just create your own account using your real data. This is very important. Okay. Kailangan yung number din yan, yung talagang matatawagan nila. They will just use it to verify kung talagang meron talagang tangan. Now, don't worry, hindi pa naman kayo tatawagan. Then, pag tiwagan kayo, wala naman kayong babayaran kapag tumawag sila. Okay? Just click on the I have submit. And then what? Okay, of course hindi gagana yan kasi may kulang na data. Pero tingnan natin. Okay, now, if you already have your account in clickbank.com and in your Google, okay, you're all set. Make sure that you already have a ClickBank. Now, don't forget the password and the login dito sa clickbank.com. Also, in your email, get a notebook, isulat niyo na yan sa diary niyo. Isulat niyo na maraming kopya para hindi niyo makalimutan kasi hindi nyo na mariretrieve. Once na nakalimutan mo yung username mo o yung password, hindi mo na makukuha ulit. Okay? So, make sure that you will remember yung username and yung password na ibibigay sa inyo ng ClickBank. Very important. You can change the password, of course. Kaya lang, you should be able to access your Gmail also. Okay? So, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.